427 small block Fords. Description is a combination. It's got the PM heads on her, Edelbrock manifold, Holley carburetor, MSD Pro billet. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller, the blacked out front oil pan. It's got your front end setup on it. Sure your alternator charges. Take you in there and show you it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, it's 506 foot-pounds. Torque looks like a Peaks torque 537. Peaks horsepower 515. So everything good. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.